Alright, welcome traders, Patrick at Trader123.net. In today's video we're trading the Trader123 AlgoBot here, and we did 6 trades today for $4,800 in profit. This is our first trade on 3 contracts with the 640 goal, and this is shortly after the open. Market opened up and a little bit of chop here, and then we caught a nice downtrend and it hit our goal 597 to start the day, on our way to $4,800 profit on the day. So let's look at our next one. So here's our second trade for 620, and still trading 3 contracts here. We traded 3 contracts all day and basically turned the bot on. It's in an uptrend, goes long here, hits targets, goes long there, hits targets, and we hit our profit goal. You know, a profit goal on 3 contracts of 640 in 2 trades. You can hit it just like it shows here. So, you know, you don't need to be making 5 or 6 trades, eating up all the commission. So that's why we came up with the mathematical formula of 640 as a profit goal, as it's very doable each day. No, the real reason is I'm a mathematician and I'm a nerd, and my calculations came up with that. Just kidding. No, it's something that we found, you know, trading with the bot for the past 14 years, that, like I said, is very doable each day. 2 to 3 trades, you'll hit your goal, rather than going for 1,000. And today there was a lot of Fed talks today, so the market was kind of choppy, and you got to be aware of the news, as I always say. So we go for the 1,000 goal later in the day. And here's the trade that we raised the goal to $1,000 on 3 contracts, and the market was about ready to dive here, and that's exactly what happened. 2 contracts that sold off and hit our first profit target, and this was a big dive. Then our stop loss gets hit here, and then it continued to dive, and I believe I shut the bot off right here because I was, you know, happy with that profit. And then it did that one more dive, and then the trend changed, and it basically caught this move up for the $1,000 goal. You know, sometimes when you're using the bot and you catch a big down move like that, you're like, you like think, well, it can't go any lower, but it did. So that's why you let the bot do its thing. So let's look at our next trade. And in this trade, that's exactly what we did. We let the bot do its thing. It was still making new lows and just kept going lower and lower, and let the bot trade it. And got 997 on this one, and 2 more trades. Let's take a look at those. And here's the next trade. Just after 11, we were pretty much done trading after that 997 move, but we thought we'd put on one more trade here as the market decided to trade, change trend direction, and we caught a nice move to the upside. We took the initial short because the market was still in a downtrend, and then I don't know if Trump said something or some news came out, so it ripped back up, which actually caught me by surprise. I thought we were going lower, and then the bot did its thing, got long, hit profit targets, another long, profit targets, 982 profit. And then we had an end of the day trade, so let's look at that one. So here's the end of the day trade here, going into the last couple minutes. Market did a dip, so we figured the market pretty much been down most of the day. It rallied back up, and that's exactly what happened. And it's basically right here. Got long, and first 2 profit targets hit, and then the last one right out there for 677 profit for a great trade. So that's a wrap for the day. Like I said, over $4,800 in profits, trading 3 contracts of the NQ. And that's how the AlgoBot did on Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on all social media. Hit that like and subscribe. And PayPal is our preferred payment provider. And we'll catch you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.